Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new episode of 360 Quick House. Once again, I welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Suresh into this show. Welcome.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good.
Hi all.
It's match 40. It is Rajasthan Royals versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. It is Steven Smith taking on David Warner. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's game. Starting with Josh Butler. Siddharth, what is your take on Josh Butler?
Josh Butler, again, very important batsman for Rajasthan. I think he's been one of their best performers this season with the bat. I think even though he came in late, he's done what he has to do with the bat. Even in the last game, when it looked like Rajasthan's batting lineup was falling apart, he came there and kind of steadied the ship with Steve Smith. And that's why he's so important, because he has that international experience. And he was the man of the match in the last game, rightly so. So in this game too, I think most certainly he'll be a big player to watch out for. And if they're chasing or if they're batting first, I think they look at Butler to either chase down the target or give them a high score in the first innings.
Next, we have Rashid Khan. Gautam, what is your take on Rashid Khan?
Yeah, Rashid Khan, he's a brilliant bowler. We all know that. He's the number one ranked bowler, T20 bowler in the world. But it's surprising that he's not featuring in the purple cap list, at least top 5. We usually see him at least in the top 5. But he's slowly coming into that way. But the first half, he's been economical, but the wickets column, I think it's something that he would want to improve. He's been able to contain runs, but wickets is something that he'll really want to take, and he'll play a big role, as I've been saying. And if, especially Hyderabad, that they cannot afford to lose games from now on, so Rashid will play a big role for sure.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and that is Kane Williamson versus Shreyas Gopal. Siddharth, your take on this battle?
We saw Williamson in the last game. They sent him up the order. It was maybe because he was injured, and we still saw him. He was limping around, but he was still playing his shots. He was quick, and he was the power player of the match in the last game. And he's very important because, again, so much experience that he has, and he's been a captain of the Hyderabad side. He's been successful, and he's a very good batsman, one of the best of the current generation. Shreyas Gopal, on the other hand, I think he had a good game, very economical in the last game against Chennai Super Kings, and he's a very smart bowler as well. He bowls well, and if he can get Williamson out early, then Hyderabad's batting order will have quite a few questions to answer.
Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for. That is the young Kartik Tyagi taking on the skipper of Sunrisers Hyderabad, David Warner. Gautam, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, look, we've spoken in the past as well about how impressive few youngsters have been, and Kartik Tyagi is certainly one among them. He's been very impressive. I think he's bowled really well, and in the last game against Chennai Super Kings as well, the way he was bowling to Shane Watson, it was some quality pace as well. He's got good pace, and even against RCB, though they lost, he was executing those Yorkers so well when ABD was batting, and I think it's great signs for Rajasthan that a youngster is stepping up for them. And today, he'll be up against David Warner, and I'm really looking forward to that battle as well. Warner, I was surprised at the position that he came out to bat. But I don't know whether that will continue in the remaining games. But yes, Warner has been amongst the runs as he's always been, and yes, I'm very much looking forward to this battle.
And here we have the points table. Sunrisers Hyderabad at the 7th position with 6 points. And Rajasthan Royals at the 6th position with 8 points. And finally, it's time to make the prediction. Siddharth, which team are you going to back tonight?
Oh, well, it's a tough one today. I think almost equally matched teams with equal advantages and disadvantages. But I'm going to go with the Royals of Rajasthan. I think they have that momentum from the previous win. Sunrisers, on the other hand, might just be a little low on morale, especially a loss in the super over. So Rajasthan for me. And again, both these teams will be super motivated just because of the slip up yesterday. The doors have now opened, and all of a sudden, there is five teams fighting for one spot.
Gautam, which team are you going to back?
Well, because Siddharth has said Royals, I'm going with SRH. I can afford this because I'm leading by quite some margin. So I'm going with SRH. Two almost equally matched teams. Rajasthan, I feel slightly more balanced compared to SRH. SRH have been struggling with their batting, overly dependent on few of their batsmen. And with Bhuvi missing so many games, their bowling also has lacked that that lethal thing. So yes, if they have to qualify, they'll have to win every game, as I said, both the teams. So yes, it promises to be a very close game.
And and yesterday Gautam's prediction was right. And Gautam, your no-brainer word again turned out right. Congratulations, Gautam.
Yeah, thank you.
It is 24-17 at the moment. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Bye guys, hope you're all enjoying our show. Thank you, cheers.